The 2025 BMW M7 marks a bold new chapter in BMW's performance luxury sedan segment. As the flagship of the 7 Series lineup, the M7 is more than just a powerful car. It's a showcase of cutting-edge technology, refined comfort, and dynamic driving capabilities that define the future of high-performance executive vehicles. For the first time, BMW has engineered the M7 not merely as a luxury cruiser with extra power, but as a true M model that stands toe-to-toe with rivals like the Mercedes-AMG S63 e-Performance and Audi S8. Under the hood, the 2025 BMW M7 is powered by a heavily revised 4.4-liter twin-turbocharged V8, paired with a 48-volt mild hybrid system. This powertrain produces an impressive 738 horsepower and 738 lb-ft of torque, making it the most powerful 7 Series model ever produced. Power is sent through an 8-speed M Steptronic transmission to all 4 wheels via BMW's xDrive system, ensuring optimal grip and traction in all conditions. The result is a 0-60 mph time of just 3.3 seconds, an astounding figure for a sedan of this size and weight. BMW's engineers have gone to great lengths to ensure the M7 handles as well as it accelerates. The adaptive M suspension, integral active, steering, and M-specific chassis tuning make the car feel agile and responsive, even when cornering aggressively. A newly developed active roll stabilization system helps keep the body flat during spirited driving, while maintaining ride comfort in more relaxed conditions. Drivers can customize the car's dynamics through multiple drive modes, ranging from Comfort to Sport Plus, allowing for an experience that shifts from relaxed to razor-sharp at the press of a button. Inside, the M7 maintains the opulence expected from a 7 Series, but adds performance-focused enhancements. M-specific displays, sport seats with enhanced bolstering, and exclusive trim materials distinguish the cabin. A large curved display combines a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster and a 14.9-inch central touchscreen running the latest iDrive 9 system. This infotainment system supports over-the-air updates, voice control, and a fully customizable user interface. Rear passengers aren't forgotten either. The optional executive lounge package transforms the back seat into a first-class experience, complete with reclining seats, a theater screen, and personalized climate zones. BMW hasn't overlooked sustainability, even in a high-performance vehicle like the M7. The mild hybrid system not only aids in performance, but also improves efficiency, with regenerative braking and coasting capabilities. The use of sustainable materials in the cabin and a focus on reducing emissions reflect BMW's broader commitment to a greener future. From the outside, the M7 is immediately recognizable as something special. The bold kidney grills, aggressive front and rear bumpers, quad exhaust tips, and M-specific aerodynamic elements distinguish it from the standard 7 Series. It strikes a perfect balance between luxury and aggression, commanding attention without overstatement. The 2025 BMW M7 represents the pinnacle of what a modern performance sedan can be. It delivers brutal acceleration, precise handling, and unmatched interior luxury, all wrapped in a technologically advanced and stylish package. For enthusiasts and executives alike, the M7 offers a driving experience that is both thrilling and refined, a true flagship in every sense.